Today I will show you how to transfer balance from our OKX wallet to Binance. First, we go to Binance. From here we go to the wallet section. From here we go to the deposit section. We click on the crypto button. I will show it with USDT. You will choose which one to send yourself. On the right side you can see the transfer types. This is the most important part. The transfer type you choose here must be the same as the acceptance type you choose in OKX, otherwise your money will be lost. My advice is to send with Ethereum ERC20 or Binance Smart Chain BEP20. Whichever you choose, you need to choose the same in Binance and OKX. Then we copy the code below, select the coin you will send in OKX, and paste it in the field or address shown below. Since there is no balance in my OKX wallet, I will show you the steps you need to do with the amounts. After doing these steps, the transfer button does not appear below because there is no balance. It says transfer in the field I show. We click there and transfer. That's it. It's that simple. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments. I love you very much. Goodbye.